Welcome to Pro Se Lawsuit Center. I'm Coach Neighbors, and are you tired of playing defense while the banks and the courts attack your home, your property? Do you feel like the system is stacked against you, and no matter what you do, they hold all the power? What if I told you the secret is this? You've been playing the wrong game in their conventional system. There's a non-conventional, a non-traditional, the judges and foreclosure attorneys, they all expect you to defend. They structured the system. Now you're catching on, but what happens if you flip the script? Go on offense. I know what it feels like. Families losing their home. Evictions are happening overnight. Judges are passing cases around like a hot potato and never ruling or giving or letting you get justice. I've coached homeowners like you for years, and I've heard the pain in their voices. I've also seen the moment they realize that they can fight back, not in state court where the deck is stacked against you, but federal court with the power of RICO, Racketeering, Influence, and Corrupt Organization Act. This is how you put banks, judges, attorneys on defense for the first time. Okay, let me break it down. The RICO Foreclosure Offensive Online Course is a complete non-traditional legal system that allows you to learn how to file federal lawsuits using statement of constitutional emergency doctrine that forces the case to the higher court, where the administrative nonsense is stripped away and higher court can only rule on the constitutional issues. You'll learn how to use the less pendens to freeze the judge's office, even their recorded deeds office and their assets. That's what I'd like to do someday. File the less pendens lien against the recorder of deeds office and freeze all their assets, so and then foreclose on them because you know they're going to stall. They're not used to coming to make a deal. Okay, so you're also going to get the writ of mandamus and injunction to stop the foreclosure process or the foreclosure eviction process or whatever. Now, in the writ of mandamus, what I put together is like a mandamus lawsuit package. You actually get the lawsuit that you need to file, and then the writ of mandamus to force the court to do whatever when you get done sending it back and forth to the higher court. Force the state court to deliver your deed as mandated by the statute they're supposed to follow to make it fair for us. You can train your legal team to handle your business's property issues in different states. Because we do federal, we stop the state court process using federal case law and federal acts in everything we file in state court. It automatically stops their process. You learn how to do that because they can't respond to statutes and codes. They can't respond to federal case law and federal acts using statutes and codes. This isn't theory. This is a proven offensive strategy that's already helping people protect their property and take back control. And here's the best part. You can join, and you don't just get documents and walk away. You get lifetime coaching, live streams, weekly access to, and sometimes we have more than one stream, access to our coaching group. We have Zoom webinar trainings for the premium packages, over 2,000 training videos on our YouTube channel, over at Pro Se Lawsuit Center. Our websites that host our lawsuit packages are over at winincourtnow.com. This is education that pays back for life. Think about the stress, the sleepless nights, the fear that you're going to get that knock on the door. Now, imagine standing in court with the power. Imagine knowing you can not only defend your home, but you can also help other families fight back too. Oh, just imagine. Now, come on now. Imagine that. This course is not just a product. It's a chance to end the foreclosure fraud one case at a time. Families are desperate for help. You could be the person to give it to them. Enrollment for the next class is $3,500, one investment, lifetime access, coaching forever. So we're not here. Weekly live support, over 2,000 legal training videos, and the tools over at winningcourtnow.com that you need to train your in-house team or launch a coaching business or just have the best that there is for this problem. Spots are limited. We keep it small so every student gets the personal support. Click now and reserve your spot right now. Click right now and reserve your spot or call me, Coach Neighbors, 913-240-0227. Don't wait until it's too late. This is your chance to flip the script and take control. Remember this, banks win because you don't know the rules. But once you learn the rules, you don't just stop foreclosure. Change the entire game. Now join the RICO Foreclosure Offensive Online course today. Gain a lifetime coaching, live support, training that lasts forever. Protect your family. Build your coaching business. Change your future. This is your moment. Invest in freedom. Register now. Register your spot now. I'll wait. No, I won't wait. Register your spot now. Go over to winningcourtnow.com and check out what we're talking about. Or just call me. I'll fill you in. Thank you guys for the value of sharing your time. Get registered. Let's go.